Ka Director General of Police ne DGP kejela ka kong Aida Shisha Nongrang ha ka singi palay jong katuyo kalapan pau ya ka jing Kmen ba ka yo banya kendu ya kipat ba nong song song kejela ha ka sin ka paningkong nadu bakala simti kum ka hedu jong katnat pulen ha ka diga singi keladan palat arpu kynhun kipat ba nalor kiriu simet kibelawan banya kendu bat pensngau ya kicing bapher ba kum kinong song song ki ya kendu nakapor syakapor ka DGP hapakran bat kilat patai kubor hadin ke jenge kendu ikipat ba kalapan pau bakalong ka pasngut nat banyo ya kendu bat kipat ba kibawan na baro kylleng.
It was a very, what should I say, interesting experience and a very enlightening one. There were various people from various walks of life had come in and various things. Some of them had come in with grievances, some of them had come in with requests for help. A couple of them were related to issues with our serving policemen. Two of them were with issues of policemen who had died while on duty and requests for a compassionate appointment, etc. We have noted most of the things. There were a few who had just come in on a congratulatory note, so I had a couple of minutes with all of them, and some which is not in my charter, but since they had come, so then accordingly advised them to take it up with the concerned authorities. There are some requests for. Let me tell you what I can do immediately. Okay. There was two delegations, two groups which come in with regard to people with disabilities. They had wanted some kind of a training capsule for especially for the traffic policemen, personnel so that they can address the issues for people with disabilities. That we will be implementing immediately. There was one request for some kind of public nuisances being carried out in different parts of the city. That we will address immediately. Then other things would take a bit of time. There was, like I said, oh yes, there was some from the insurance also who wanted to conduct awareness programs, and the request from these taxi aggregators. Unfortunately, that is not my charter, so I've told them then, and immediately the other things, no. Those are the issues that we'll be addressing immediately. A good response for the thing. There were quite a few calls asking if you could come on other days. I said yes, but on other days you would have to take a prior appointment. Today you could just walk in and come.
And today altogether, how many have met you?
I have 22 groups. Some of them were just individuals. Some of them would come in groups of 2s and 3s. So